If you already have a PST file and want to import it into Outlook, then you are in the right place. So, let's import the PST file into Outlook. Here I have backup outlook file.pst and I want to import to Outlook. For this, let's open Outlook at first. Click on File and then click on Open and Export. Next, click on Import or Export. Click on Import from another program or file and then click Next. Next, select Outlook Data File PST and click on Next. Click on Browse and select the PST file. Now simply click on Next button. Next, select your email under Import Item on Same Folder in drop-down. After that, click on Next button. On the left side pane, simply verify that your emails, calendar, contacts, and notes, etc. are checked. The changes should be reflected in the left pane. This much for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel and click on bell icon to never miss any update.